staggering jump. There are now at least 774 coronavirus patients here in Maryland, and 5 people have died from the virus. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter. The newest patients are a Maryland National Guard soldier and 2 Baltimore County first responders. Cases continue to rise here and around the nation. There are now over 100,000 cases just here in the United States. WJZ is live with team coverage tonight. Rachel Menitoff has the latest developments for us. Rachel.
Hi, Vic. Good evening. Maryland is now reporting more confirmed cases of COVID-19 than both Washington, D.C. and Virginia. Today, the governor is saying there is no timetable that can tell us how long this will last or how bad it will get. The Maryland Department of Health now reporting the state's 5th death as a result of COVID-19. A man in his 80s from Anne Arundel County is the latest person to succumb to the virus. The White House approved emergency relief funding for the state. On Friday, Governor Hogan told WTOP Radio the additional supplies are critical at a time like this.
FEMA has delivered supplies of some of the requests to nearly every state, but it is certainly still a major issue.
First responders and medical personnel are at high risk of contracting the contagious disease because they're fighting the pandemic on the front lines. Friday night, officials confirmed a member of the Maryland Army National Guard tested positive. Just hours earlier, Baltimore County announced a Baltimore police officer and member of the fire department contracted the virus. 3 Baltimore City first responders have also tested positive. Maryland now has 774 confirmed cases. Over the last 3 days, the number has more than doubled. State Senator Clarence, who is also a physician at Johns Hopkins, says these next few weeks are crucial in combating COVID-19's spread.
If we're able to get ahead of this, we can hopefully avoid some of the significant damage that we've seen occur in other countries.
Meanwhile, the health department says it will be another week before we know whether or not our efforts to quarantine and self-isolate are truly bending the curve.
That slow rise that we're seeing, even though it seems fast, is the way in which we will keep our healthcare system from being totally overwhelmed by the number of seriously ill people that might be expected.
The highest numbers of COVID-19 are in Montgomery and Prince George's counties, followed by Baltimore County and the city. Health officials say this isn't surprising since these are areas of population clusters. We're live downtown. I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.